Welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to explain Apple glasses. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Although the Apple glasses have been anticipated for many years, we don't anticipate the company's first pair of eyewear to be released anytime soon. The earliest patents describing potential consumer-facing smart glasses software and hardware were published in 2015, but the Apple glasses didn't start to feel like a reality until 2019. That said, we'll likely be waiting for the AR smart glasses for some time, as the Apple VR headset is expected to launch first, and likely won't arrive until 2023. Because of this, the glasses probably aren't going to drop until 2024 at the earliest. Release date for Apple AR glasses. Even if the Apple glasses do debut at one of the forthcoming Apple events, sources say we'll have to wait a bit before they go on sale. Apple has yet to disclose a release date for the product, or even the Apple glasses itself. That's in part because, according to most reports, Apple plans to release its augmented reality specifications following the release of its mixed reality headset. The release of the headgear has reportedly been delayed due to development issues, which has likely caused the glasses to be delayed even further. According to the most recent speculations, the Apple VR headset may not be available until late 2022 or early 2023, which means that, based on leaks and rumors we've heard, the glasses won't be available until 2024. Despite this, Apple appears to have a name for the product and may be getting ready to introduce it sooner than later. There be trademarks for Reality One and Reality Pro, with Pro thought to refer to the headset and One thought to relate to the spectacles. Apple might be ready to release the Apple glasses in late 2023 rather than sometime in 2024 if they have a name and are further advanced in development than we think. We'll have to wait and see, though. Price of Apple AR glasses. Apple hasn't yet confirmed the existence of its augmented reality glasses, so we don't even know how much they will cost. Thankfully, information from leaks and speculations can help us estimate the cost of digital specifications. The price of the Apple glasses was rumored to be $499, approximately £410 or 765 Australian dollars, when they were first announced in 2020, but a JP Morgan analyst later claimed that this was only the cost of the materials. A $499 price tag may sound a bit cheap for a cutting-edge Apple product, but the cost will likely vary depending on how advanced the glasses are. A cheaper price would make sense if they resemble the Ray-Ban Stories smart glasses rather than an AR version of the Meta Quest 2. Features and design of Apple AR glasses. It will be important for Apple to take care to avoid having too many similarities between its glasses and a Mr. headset in terms of functions and design. It seems logical, then, that the biggest Apple glasses leak so far indicates that, in contrast to the headgear, the glasses will function more like an Apple Watch than a separate gadget. That means that the majority of the features of the glasses will probably require a connection to an iPhone or iPad that is close by. It has been suggested by the same leak and subsequent patents that it will be operated by the iPhone screen and some straightforward swipe controls on the glasses frame. If this is the case, then anticipate that the Apple glasses will function similarly to a set of wireless earbuds with a hybrid control system. You can use taps on the gadget for basic commands but must use your phone for more complex ones. Numerous Apple patents have also given us hints about how the glasses would project their virtual visuals. The glasses will throw images into your eye through a catadioptric optical system as opposed to turning the lenses into screens, like a VR headset. A leaked injury report from Apple's Cupertino headquarters, which claims the company is working on a prototype unit that has caused eye problems for 2 users, lends further evidence to this. By the time it reaches the shelves, maybe the bugs will be ironed out. What you will be able to do with the glasses in AR is an intriguing topic that has received little attention. Although Apple has hired several important AR talents over the years, a firm that created virtual reality content for organizations like the NBA and Fox Sports, we haven't heard much about the experiences the company is creating. While we anticipate that work will be important, allowing you to access critical apps and emails with the glasses, entertainment and social engagement may be crucial for the glasses to become widely adopted. Last but not least, these glasses will have a basic shape and design that is similar to that of a standard pair of spectacles, as would be expected from a product called the Apple glasses. So that's it for today. What do you think of our video? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and would like to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications before you go. Thank you so much for watching us.